Are you struggling with Docker and wondering how to manage exposed ports? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with Docker files. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you think you've configured everything correctly, only to find out that the parent image is still exposing ports you don't want. You're definitely not the only one dealing with this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to close the parent port 80 in my Dockerfile if I cannot edit that file? This is a great question and one that many Docker users have. To understand this issue, we need to recognize how Docker handles exposed ports. When you use a parent image that exposes a port, that port remains open unless you specifically override it. But can we really close it? Let's find out. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear solution to manage your Docker ports effectively. To address the user's concern about closing the exposed port from the parent Docker file, we can use a specific Docker feature. First, the user should understand that Docker does not allow unexposing ports directly. However, we can work around this limitation. The user can achieve this by using a custom entry point script. This script will override the default behavior of the parent image. The user should create a new script that starts the Apache server on the desired port. Next, the user should modify the Docker file to copy this script into the image and set it as the entry point. This will ensure that when the container starts, it uses the custom script instead of the default. Finally, the user should build the Docker image and run the container. This will ensure that only port 8080 is exposed, effectively ignoring the parent image's port 80. Fun fact, did you know that Docker was originally developed to help manage applications in a more efficient way? It's come a long way since then, but some challenges still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that unfortunately, it is currently impossible to close the parent port 80 in your Docker file. However, they suggest following an open issue on Docker's GitHub that dates back to 2014 for any updates. Now let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to use port mapping instead of editing the Docker file. You can map port 8080 on your host to port 80 in the Docker image. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution suggests configuring Apache to listen on port 8080 instead of 80. This involves editing two configuration files, ports.conf and 000.default.conf. In your Docker file, after making these changes, expose port 8080 and run your container with the command to map port 8080. Finally, if you don't see port 80 listed when you check with Docker PS, it means that port is not exposed. Here's a pro tip. Always check the documentation for the base images you are using. They often provide insights into how to best configure your containers. And there you have it. While you can't directly close a parent port, you can effectively manage your Docker containers ports with a custom script. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Docker tips and tricks.